Hey, you fantastic fun seekers! You've just stumbled onto my YouTube channel, the home of construction's most laugh-out-loud moments. We've raided the web to find clips so absurd, you'll wonder if the crew was hired from a circus. From epic bloopers to moments that defy logic, we're serving daily doses of laughter. Subscribe, drop your own hilarious tales in the comments, and let's build a community of chuckles. Yo, you Chuckle Crusaders! How wild were those construction moments? Did my crew of worksite clowns have you howling so loud you startled your neighbors? Hang tight, the next clips are gonna be funnier than a cement mixer moonlighting as a comedian. Expect workers tripping over their own egos and tools staging their own prank show. Ditch us now, and you'll regret it like missing the best punchline ever. Ha ha! Smash subscribe, share your wildest reactions, and let's keep this comedy site buzzing. All right, that's it for today. If you're not laughing, I owe you a high five. Thanks for tuning in. 7 p.m. tomorrow. Don't miss it. Ciao.